Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing, I think Bae helped me find my dream house. We moving in, let's get into it.
Baby. Baby. Why are you trying to record me?
Of course, it's Armoney and Reginae.
Yo, what's good, y'all? What's poppin', man? Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know how we rockin'. Let me fix this. I feel like it's zoomed in.
It's still going so?
It's just zoomed in. But as y'all can see from the title, we are doing a little bit of house hunting. We're kind of on the emergency hunt now. Right, babe?
Yeah.
It's even time out to even talk about moving out of the state. Like, I need something now. Look at her. And you just praying on like that. Like, that's crazy. But, baby, I couldn't. I wouldn't. You know.
He trying to move, y'all. He trying to move out the state.
No, I'm not, y'all. I'm just trying to find something that's better for me. You know what I'm saying? And, of course, my daughter and, of course, my baby girl.
But he trying to move away from...
No. You said if you didn't live here where you would live, so I was just saying, like, let's, you know. But we finna go look at this place right now, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video, studio video. Baby girl came to the studio with me.
Yes.
Put her little intake, wrote her little bars. Y'all never know me. Y'all maybe seen her drop her own little single. You been?
You gotta give me some voice lessons.
I'm the wrong guy to do that. I mean, we gonna get our man's Robert in the building. Robert in the building. What's up, broski?
What's going on? I got you.
It's just our driver. Robert, this is our guy. Well, really, he's my new driver now, and this is Nate. Ben driver.
Y'all know Robert on my page if you know.
You wanna know something, Robert?
Wait, it's charging.
I actually, the week before I met Nate, I fired my driver.
So another blessing came your way.
Yeah.
Exactly, bro.
Amen. See? God be working it out, y'all.
Exactly,
yeah, it
bro.
is. See how shit just comes.
I had to get rid of him. You want to know why, bro? Because it's like, I don't like when the drivers is like low-key mad at stuff and don't say it, and then like when they want to say it, they say it like very mad and aggressively, like, you know, like, okay, bro, if you was feeling some type of way, you could have said that.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Like,
Fake dissing.
yeah, like, that's crazy.
He didn't tell you how you felt.
Yeah, something you do to me. You fake diss me a lot.
Oh, no. I'm very direct. I want to take this little thing off.
Why? I like it, baby.
Yeah, but it's not really got it because...
Yeah, I'm telling y'all, she's a brat.
With the capital B.
I mean, you call her a princess, so, I mean, what does she know what she want? That's how that is. She used to get what she want, and she demanded and expected. Okay. She said she a bad black African-American princess.
R-A-T-T, capital everything.
I'm a Bratz doll.
But yeah, y'all, we'll see y'all in the next clip on...
Fingers.
I don't think we're on the right elevator there.
Floor 3, lobby level.
We're lost, y'all. Wait, I'm doing corner buttons.
Baby.
I'm not trying
Oh, it was this. Okay, y'all, so this is a little weird, but I do like this little call box.
Thank you for visiting SM Peachtree. How can we help you?
Hey, this is Armoney again. I pressed the wrong elevator.
Okay.
It's like a little blurry.
It's just too close.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to show up. Okay.
Oh, okay. I see the difference now. You see the difference?
Yeah.
You see the difference? Say that. Nah. But y'all, we finna go look at some penthouses.
All right, I see y'all with the penthouses. Go ahead, y'all.
Mirror, let me kiss him, Jamil.
Come on.
No, you gotta turn this up. You gotta turn this up. Yeah, come on.
You're looking at your face. Okay. I don't like that it shows that though.
Okay, yeah, you're right. So, okay, y'all. So we're finna get into meeting the people, and then we'll get back to y'all.
All right. Let me get this off your face.
Thank you, baby.
Y'all, I just asked if I was gonna be on the list, and our mom looked at the lady. She was a Halloween costume.
Y'all, I just don't know what was going on, but the moment of that was very crazy.
Yeah.
The moment of that was very crazy.
What in the world?
I looked at him so fast.
Didn't know what to say. There we go. You got the line? 3.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so me and my baby girl tried to record. They said there's no media policy during their little thing that they got going on, which is cool. We on our way to see another property. We love that property, though. It was kind of small, but it was enough for what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? Like we say, we stay out the way. We do what we want to do. Telling period.
This be showing.
Right, exactly. Like you, come on, let me show them you. Let me just show them you. Walk, 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 walk. Okay. Hold on, and hold on, wait. Let me open up this door, and then you know somebody else gonna open.
Yes, sir. Open the door for the lady.
Up your other door. Princess royalty treatment. Princess royalty treatment.
Always.
Yeah. Just a little.
My guy Robert. My guy right here, man. It's my guy. Alright, so now we on our way to I can't say it on camera, but
It's out.
Yeah, don't say it on camera, y'all. We don't need to know all that. But we happy for y'all.
on gang! Y'all, we very hungry. We probably gonna get something to eat after this. Oh, what's up on gang now?
We're here.
We want to look at another spot.
We are here.
This way.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna look at another
I like that note, Armon.
spot.
Yeah, so y'all didn't get to see the other spot, but this is the assistant property, she said. But then when we get in here, they're gonna say that's the assistant property. So
Yeah, you know how they be talking.
you know how they be trying
They
to
be out
chat.
top to top, no walk to walk. But right this way, babe, this way. Come on, this way.
No.
Shit.
Okay.
All right, nah, this too heavy. Bye. We're waiting on.
Yo, I don't like this, man. I don't think I like this.
Yeah, he's being a baby. I like it.
Nah, man, don't say that.
I don't think I like it either.
He don't like it, y'all. It's cool to me. Nah, it just needs to be more lighter. Y'all know I'm sneaking the camera.
I don't like that black door. Like, I feel like y'all could have did something more than that. It's just so basic.
She didn't say no. She didn't say yes neither. So let's not get this lady fired. She did not say yes.
I'm sorry, this is one here. You get a lot of light.
Yeah, he don't like this.
I don't like the kitchen either.
That's a cute little view though. Real nice view.
I like the realtor. The view and it's green. I don't know. I don't know what water is in Atlanta, so I don't know what's that town on or whatever. But at least it's up high.
We love a view. Ooh, and babe, you didn't even look at the bathroom. You're just saying no to it. Look at the bathroom.
I don't like that either. Like, where's the master suite? Is it like one room? And why you got to walk in the bathroom like that?
Princess, this fire. I don't like my living room.
We could get hella lights to light that motherfucker.
Oh, no. Babe, why are you doing that?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Look at the closet space. He's leaving. That's a lot. Yeah, it does smell a little musty. But they
Oh, not musty.
said they just rented it out, so maybe the other people it was a little musty.
38 for this? Straight.
I ain't gonna lie.
On
I like
gang.
Yeah.
Gang.
I like the other place better. On gang. 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 Gang.
Go on, man.
Gang. Gang. Oh, gang.
Hold on.
All right, I see Reginae's stinking leg.
They're gonna go into one bedroom. Ooh.
I like the wraparound balcony though.
Oh, you such. Where's your daughter going? Not on game. This is not. No.
That was so funny. Like, comment, and subscribe.